This video is one of the best advice that I have gotten from a pastor telling his church members about the consequence of AS genotype marrying an AS genotype. So this is something that you will actually learn a lot from this video.
AS and AS, don't fall in love. Especially if you're in this church, you are doing devil's way. Don't trust God. Don't do it. Don't do it. Trust God that He will give you another person. Don't trust God that there is a way two of you will work that thing. Don't do that thing. The reason is because the consequence of that union, you are not the one that will suffer it, is a child.
It is the children that suffer the outcome of your decision. Now, let me explain much for you to get the understanding with this schematic diagram. Now, when an AS marry an AS, there is 25% chance that you might give birth to an AA. Also, there is 50% chance that you might give birth to an AS, and also 25% chance of you giving birth to SS. SS children are true sickle cell disease children. You shouldn't take it lightly, because when you give birth and your child is sickle cell, you actually go through a lot, and your child is going to suffer the complications, the sickle cell crisis, and all these kind of things, and we do not call for that. That is why we are giving you this kind of information, and the pastor actually did a lot by explaining to the church members of the need to ignore the marriage of AS. Majority of the people, consider spirituality. Oh, I have faith in God, that God can be able to turn things around. Hence, they ignore medical advice with regards to genotype. So I really appreciate the pastor for what he told his church members. It will go a long way to help many people.